Learn English to Hindi, to begin in.
शुरू करना.
With funny past tense stories. Welcome to the first step. Hey, you are here, so that already counts as progress. Today we will begin with one super useful idea, how to say, to begin, and its past forms in Hindi. Imagine a lazy alarm clock wearing sunglasses. It rings at noon and shouts, motivation, energy, greatness. Then it falls asleep again. But before it snores, it teaches you your first word, to begin is.
शुरू करना.
Say it with me.
शुरू करना.
This is your launch button, your green light, your dramatic movie opening. In English, to begin. In Hindi.
शुरू करना.
If your brain says, maybe later, tell your brain, no, we.
शुरू करना.
Now. Meet the beginning family. Now you will meet the whole little family of begin forms. Listen for the pattern and enjoy the small chaos. To begin equals.
शुरू करना.
This is the base idea, the dictionary form. I began equals.
मैंने शुरू किया.
Picture yourself opening a notebook and proudly saying, yes, I actually did it. You begin equals.
तुम शुरू करते हो.
A teacher points at you. No pressure. Just everyone watching. He began equals.
उसने शुरू किया.
He touched the start button and suddenly acted like a genius inventor. She began equals.
उसने शुरू किया.
Same Hindi form here in this set, but now imagine a confident presenter starting the show. Began equals.
शुरू हुआ.
This works for an event that began, like a movie or a meeting. We began equals.
हमने शुरू किया.
Teamwork, snacks, confusion, then progress. You started equals.
शुरू किया.
Short, useful, and slightly dramatic. They began equals.
वे शुरू हुए.
A whole group moves at once, usually after waiting far too long. A very serious story about not being serious. Let's lock these words into memory with a funny story. You just listen and enjoy, your brain will do the sneaky learning. At the Grand International Academy of Definitely Doing Things, the principal stood on stage with a golden whistle. He wanted the ceremony to begin, so he shouted.
शुरू करना.
As if it were a magical command. Nothing happened. A pigeon was sitting on the microphone. Then I walked up bravely and said.
मैंने शुरू किया.
Even though I had not actually started anything yet. Confidence is free. The teacher looked at you and announced.
तुम शुरू करते हो.
You smiled the smile of a person who suddenly regrets sitting in the front row. A boy in a shiny jacket jumped up.
उसने शुरू किया.
A speech about sandwiches, weather, and his pet fish. Then a girl with superstar energy stood up too.
उसने शुरू किया.
Singing as if this were a Bollywood finale. At that point, the event truly.
शुरू हुआ.
The curtains moved, the drummer panicked, and someone dropped a tray of samosas in slow motion. Meanwhile, we formed a rescue team for the samosas and.
हमने शुरू किया.
Our mission immediately. You pointed heroically at the snack table and.
शुरू किया.
The operation. Soon the whole audience joined in.
वे शुरू हुए.
Clapping, laughing, and pretending this was all part of the program. And that, dear listener, is how a language lesson became a snack emergency. Mini dialogues you can steal. Now let's make the words sound natural. These short dialogues are easy to repeat and fun to use. A. Are you ready to begin? B. Yes.
शुरू करना.
Now. A. When did you start? B.
मैंने शुरू किया.
This morning. A. Who goes first? B.
तुम शुरू करते हो.
A. Who began the presentation? B.
उसने शुरू किया.
A. Did she begin already? B. Yes.
उसने शुरू किया.
A. Has the movie begun? B. Yes, it.
शुरू हुआ.
A minute ago. A. When did your group begin? B.
हमने शुरू किया.
After lunch. A. Who started this giant mess? B. You did.
शुरू किया.
A. What happened after the whistle? B.
वे शुरू हुए.
Quick memory tricks. You do not need perfect logic right now. You just need sticky memory, and a little weirdness helps. Think of
शुरू करना.
as the big green start button. Think of
मैंने शुरू किया.
as you proudly saying, I began, and yes, I deserve applause. Think of
तुम शुरू करते हो.
as a teacher pointing at you with maximum drama. Think of
उसने शुरू किया.
as one person stepping forward first, whether he began or she began in this learning set. Think of
शुरू हुआ.
as the moment an event officially begins, lights dim, music swells, popcorn flies. Think of
हमने शुरू किया.
as your whole team finally doing something instead of discussing doing it. Think of
शुरू किया.
as the simple past idea of started. Think of
वे शुरू हुए.
as a whole crowd suddenly moving together after a signal. Repeat after me drill. This is your speak aloud section. Pause if you want, repeat boldly, and do not worry about sounding silly. Say, to begin.
शुरू करना.
Say, I began.
मैंने शुरू किया.
Say, you begin.
तुम शुरू करते हो.
Say, he began.
उसने शुरू किया.
Say, she began.
उसने शुरू किया.
Say, began.
शुरू हुआ.
Say, we began.
हमने शुरू किया.
Say, you started.
शुरू किया.
Say, they began.
वे शुरू हुए.
Tiny quiz, big glory. Time for a quick quiz. If you know it, say it out loud before I reveal it and enjoy your victory music. How do you say, to begin, in Hindi?
शुरू करना.
How do you say, I began?
मैंने शुरू किया.
How do you say, you begin?
तुम शुरू करते हो.
How do you say, he began?
उसने शुरू किया.
How do you say, she began?
उसने शुरू किया.
How do you say, began, for an event?
शुरू हुआ.
How do you say, we began?
हमने शुरू किया.
How do you say, you started?
शुरू किया.
How do you say, they began?
वे शुरू हुए.
Your friendly finish. You made it, and yes, that means you really did begin something useful today. Nicely done. Today you practiced to begin, I began, you begin, he began, she began, we began, you started, and they began in Hindi. You met.
शुरू करना. मैंने शुरू किया. तुम शुरू करते हो. उसने शुरू किया. शुरू हुआ. हमने शुरू किया. शुरू किया.
And.
वे शुरू हुए.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing, repeat the phrases tomorrow, and next time do not wait for the lazy alarm clock. Just.
शुरू करना.